Are you looking for the best dual monitors? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best dual monitors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Kado C27 Dual Series Monitor. The Kado dual monitor setup offers a stunning visual experience with its 1500R curved design, which helps reduce eye strain and neck fatigue, allowing you to work or game for longer without discomfort. The fast response time minimizes blurring and ghosting, ensuring that you stay focused during intense gaming sessions. With vibrant colors that cover a 100% sRGB gamut, your multimedia tasks will look more accurate and engaging. Plus, the enhanced 75Hz refresh rate provides smoother visuals, making your gaming experience even more enjoyable. What we like: immersive dual monitor experience, comfortable ergonomic design, fast response time, vibrant true-to-life colors. Number 2. Gigastone 27-inch IPS LED Monitor 2-pack. The Gigastone 27-inch monitor offers an impressive Full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080, paired with a 75Hz refresh rate that ensures smooth visuals, perfect for gaming or watching videos. Thanks to its advanced IPS technology, you can enjoy vibrant colors from any angle, making it ideal for shared viewing. Additionally, the monitor features eye care technology that reduces blue light and flickering, helping to prevent eye strain during prolonged use. With its sleek frameless design, this monitor not only performs well but also enhances your workspace aesthetics. What we like: Full HD resolution, smooth 75Hz refresh rate, vibrant color accuracy, eye care technology, sleek frameless design. Number 3. Kado C24 Dual 24-inch Curved Monitor. The Kado curved monitor offers an immersive dual setup with its 1500R curved design, allowing you to enjoy a more comfortable and engaging viewing experience. This design helps reduce eye strain and neck fatigue, letting you work or game for extended periods without discomfort. With fast response times, you can say goodbye to ghosting and blurring, keeping your visuals sharp and clear, especially in fast-paced scenarios. The monitor also boasts vibrant colors thanks to its 100% sRGB color gamut, ensuring your creative projects and multimedia tasks look stunning and accurate. What we like: immersive dual monitor setup, comfortable curved design, fast response times, vibrant, true-to-life colors. Number 4. Kado C27X Dual 27-inch Curved Monitor. The Kado Dual Curved Monitor offers an immersive viewing experience with its unique curved design, which helps reduce eye strain and neck fatigue, making it perfect for long work or gaming sessions. Its fast response time ensures smooth transitions, allowing you to keep your focus during intense gaming moments. You will enjoy vibrant visuals with true-to-life colors, thanks to its 100% sRGB color gamut. This monitor also features an enhanced 75Hz refresh rate, ensuring that your gaming experience is responsive and visually seamless. Whether for work or play, this monitor is designed to elevate your experience. What we like: immersive dual monitor setup, comfortable ergonomic design, fast response time, vibrant true-to-life colors. Number 5. Dell S2425HS 23.8-inch Monitor. The Dell S2425HS monitor offers a modern design with ultra-thin bezels, allowing you to enjoy a larger screen without distractions. Its integrated dual 5W speakers provide rich audio, perfect for enhancing your entertainment experience. With in-plane switching technology, you can appreciate vibrant colors from various angles, making it ideal for sharing content with friends or family. Plus, the easy access to multiple input ports simplifies connecting your devices, ensuring a clutter-free workspace and effortless transitions between tasks. What we like: modern design, rich audio quality, vibrant color display, multiple input options.